Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure and like and subscribe to the video. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Zone 2 Garage. Today we have a 2000 Mazda B3000 that we're going to be doing a taillight bulb replacement on. This is also going to work for a 2000 Ford Ranger and so forth. So let's go ahead and jump in. Our tools we're going to need is just a Phillips screwdriver and our bulb. The bulb we're using today is a 3157. It's from Amazon. And let's dive in. So we're going to have 4 screws we're going to take off. You're going to have 1, 2, and you're going to have 2 on the outside. 3 and 4. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. One, 2, and then we're gonna go right to these 2 right here. These are righty tighty, lefty loosey, guys. Oh, make sure the screwdriver stays on there. That should be good there. And get to this bottom one. I want to make sure and hold your screwdriver tensioned onto that screw. Once you get that out nice and far like that, it should be out. Go ahead and pop our taillight out. It's going to pop off just like that, guys. Looks like we still do have a little bit caught on our screws there. Just go ahead. You can put your fingers behind the taillight right there and hold some tension. You see it'll just pop out. So let's go ahead and do that with our bottom one as well. Right there, and we should be out right there, guys. So you see we have a locator for our 2 screws that come from the side, so you want to make sure and pop it out and towards the outside of the vehicle at one time. We're gonna go out just like that. You see it's able to turn, so now we're gonna twist our bulb just like that, counterclockwise, righty tighty, lefty loosey as always. Don't drop your screwdriver, guys. And we're gonna just pop that bulb out. So now here we're gonna grab our new bulb, just like that. This doesn't have to go into any special orientation. As you can see, it has connectors on both sides. So just go ahead and pop that in there. Pop that boy in there just like that. And you're gonna take your bulb, and remember we popped this thing counterclockwise. You can see the tabs. So we're gonna go ahead and just pop that boy back in there, just like that, and boom. We're gonna put our light back in. Remember, guys, our tabs on the side. So we're gonna come from the outside here, just like so. Oh, just like so. You're gonna have to fiddle a little bit with this rear connector, and your bulb will go in. Your taillight will go right back in, just like that. We're gonna get our screws. One right there. Let's go ahead and get our screwdriver. And we're just going to send that boy into place. Just like so. You don't need to put a lot of force onto it when it's going back in. You just want to snug it up nice and neat and make a good seal. Get our second one. See how they go in nice and easy? That's how you know you have them in the proper place. Right there. Let's get our other 2. These guys are also coarse threads, so they shouldn't take much to go in at all, guys. Right there. 1. And 2. Simple job, guys. Easy to do right at home. Bulbs from either Advanced Auto Parts or Amazon. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure and like and subscribe to the video.